Hey guys, Tariq here. Today I'm going to teach you how to add a watermark to your photos in Lightroom. First, right or double click, as if you're going to be exporting your image. Once the export menu appears, scroll down to where it says watermarking. Check watermark and then click edit watermarks. In the watermark editor, you can see that it gives you a preset text watermark. Let's change that to insert watermark here for YouTube thumbnail purposes. You have the option to add a graphic as well. Now let's go ahead and select a font and a style. Now collapse the text option and focus on the watermark effects. I want the opacity to be kept at 100. Now let's make the proportional size 20. Change the horizontal value to 1 and the vertical value to 10. You also have the option to rotate the watermark and choose another anchor point as well. Once you're done, click Save and name the watermark. Once complete, keep note that as long as watermark is checked, each photo you export will have the watermark added to it. If you found this information valuable, please make sure to like the video for the YouTube algorithm for others to find this video as well. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss videos just like this one that I'll be posting in the future. Thanks for watching, guys.